The Women Tech Council is honored to present the 2021 Women Tech Award finalists. Amy Dredge is Head of Technology Center of Excellence at Pluralsight. She was one of the organization's first engineers and is instrumental in growing the engineering team, helping Pluralsight become SOC2 certified, and building cross-organizational alignment through her compelling vision. Amy encourages women everywhere she goes to join tech. She leads Hour of Code sessions, presents at high schools, and mentors at SheTech. Amy has a degree in computer science from Utah State and is the proud mother of 3 with another on the way. Angie Balfour is Chief People Officer at Weave. She is a trailblazer in HR, having led people teams at tech giants like Facebook and Instagram. Her ability to guide and grow teams through new skill development, leadership changes, rapid headcount growth, new office openings, and international expansion has cemented her role in the people leadership space. Angie is a cancer survivor and is currently establishing a scholarship for children who age out of the foster care system. She holds a bachelor's degree in human resource management and an MBA. Daroy Douglas is VP of Global Program Management at Taulia. She is responsible for managing the company's top growth initiatives, including handling expansion into new geographies like China and Singapore. She owns an investment and property management company and is an active volunteer in her community, earning her the recognition of Volunteer of the Year in Park City. Daroy has degrees in computer information management and project management. She loves spending time with her children and grandchildren. Emily Tu is Senior VP of Analytics Services at Health Catalyst and has created world-class analytics standards that decrease the company's development lifecycle. Through her efforts, they were able to produce several COVID dashboards in a matter of weeks. Emily has been the grateful recipient of influential mentoring and is focused on advising others on how to expand their technical influence. She has an MBA, and her greatest source of joy is her daughter. Jamie Lyon is VP of Strategy and Business Development at Lucid. She has been instrumental in developing organizational partnerships with LinkedIn, Google, Microsoft, and Atlassian. She helped drive the direction and strategy for 2 major product launches. As a mother of 2 young children, she actively guides other women to see how they can shine at both home and work, and works tirelessly to show how women's voices are essential in business. She holds an MBA from Stanford and degrees in economics and Spanish from Dartmouth. Jen Gray is VP of Product Marketing at Filevine. She leads the company's go-to-market strategy and has relentlessly crafted a cohesive story for Filevine, enabling the company to tell their story and execute delivery to prospects and customers. Jen is relentless in helping pivot Utah Tech to be more diverse, inclusive, and empathetic, and has published 2 pieces on inclusion and equality in the workplace. She attended BYU, had a LinkedIn post that went viral, and is proud that she has succeeded in tech while lifting others and raising her daughter. Juliette Bautista is the Director of Clubability and a system engineer. In her native Peru, she was named one of the country's up-and-coming young executives. After relocating to Utah to get specialized medical treatment for her daughter, Juliette discovered STEM opportunities were lacking for the special needs in Latino communities. In response, she created Clubability. This nonprofit is supported by Google Fiber and Facebook. Juliette has a systems engineering degree and an MBA from the IEDE Business School in Spain, and feels her biggest accomplishment is being a mom. Katie Iversen is the NERC Modeling Risk Manager at AES Clean Energy. She has spent her career as an electrical engineer and business professional in the renewable energy industry, and especially enjoys being able to have a direct and critical impact on the adoption of renewable power sources. She shares her expertise by teaching in local schools and community science nights. She has bachelor's and master's degrees in engineering and an MBA. She loves doing anything outdoors and spending time with her son, stepdaughter, and baby girl who was born in July. Laura McCarty is VP of Technical Services Americas at Pure Storage. She leads her team to proactively help customers anticipate challenges and drive customer success across many industries. She also co-founded the Knapp Family Scholarship, which helps financially challenged juniors and seniors finish their studies at UC San Diego. She herself holds a bachelor's degree in communications from UC San Diego and is the single mom of 2 successful young men. Lindsey Henderson is the secondary mathematics specialist for the Utah State Board of Education. She spent 15 years teaching secondary maths for the Salt Lake City School District. With additional experience in tech startups, she is now revolutionizing mathematical standards in Utah. By linking mathematics and technology and introducing data science into the classroom, Lindsey is putting Utah on the map as a secondary education trailblazer. She and her wife have 2 children who are always exasperated to realize that math actually is everywhere. Mandy Rogers is the systems engineering leader at Northrop Grumman Space Systems. She leads, orchestrates, and facilitates integrated hardware-software functionality from conception, design, and execution. She is actively engaged in the company's PRIDA program, fostering inclusion for all employees and specifically for LGBTQ+ teammates. Mandy also volunteers for community robotics competitions and hackathons and has a degree in computer engineering from Christopher Newport University. Milada Copeland is Chief Information Security Officer for Progression. She joined the company in March 2020, the same month she retired as a colonel in the Utah Army National Guard, and a week after the company sent everyone home to work remotely. She used her leadership talent to successfully build and grow her team. Often being the only female in an organization, Milada is passionate about mentoring. She holds an MBA and master's degrees in strategic studies and cybersecurity. She also runs ultramarathons and is an avid scuba diver. Namitha Nayak is the first female VP of Research and Development and first remote-only leader at NICE CX1, overseeing the group that builds the company's cloud contact center platform. She is passionate about paving the way for women in tech, mentors others within her organization and her network, and has inspired both of her daughters to pursue computer science and engineering. Namitha earned a Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science from Bangalore University and a Master's from University of Michigan. Nikki Walker is Director of Brand Experience and Community Engagement at Domo. She elevates Domo's impact by creating and driving diversity and inclusion initiatives. A former professional vocalist and consummate public relationship professional, Nikki is deeply connected to the community and uses her voice and stories to educate the public on important social issues, including those affecting women and children, mental health awareness in Black and Brown communities, and urban poverty. She is the proud mother of a son who is pursuing his undergraduate degree. Sadiqa Mahmood is General Manager and Senior VP of Life Sciences Business at Health Catalyst. Her work focuses on identifying and addressing areas of high unmet need for therapeutic development. Sadiqa has spent her career at the intersection of medicine, policy, technology, and analytics, and is an advocate of collaborative learning systems in healthcare, and an advisor to several healthcare organizations. Sadiqa is a dental surgeon and holds a master's degree in public health from Harvard, and is an avid Formula One racing fan and driver. Serenie Gagon is VP of Product Payment Solutions at Finicity. She is responsible for the strategic vision and roadmap for Finicity Pay's suite of products. She feels that truly diverse teams will do impossible things. To support D&I, Serenie has often led committees to advocate for underrepresented individuals, served on the Utah Diversity Connections Board, and is an active participant in the Product Hive Mentorship Program. Serenie enjoys spending time with her husband and 3 daughters, hiking and devouring good fiction books when possible. Shari Mann is an engineering fellow and OCS Chief Engineer at L3 Harris. In her role, she is Chief Engineer for both the Cypher and Sunset Hills classified DoD programs, which have a combined value of over $100 million. She is passionate about encouraging girls to pursue STEM careers and can be seen at various STEM events in the Salt Lake Valley. Sherrie has 2 patents and earned a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the University of Texas. She and her family enjoy hiking, mountain biking, and skiing. Sherrie Cowley is head of security operations at 3M Health Information Systems, where she leads a team of engineers from around the world who are responsible for penetration testing, incident response, database security, cloud security, and system administration. She is a founding member of Women in Cybersecurity for Utah and is an active volunteer with AmeriCorps and America Reads. Sherrie has a master's in information systems from the University of Utah and has won multiple ethical hacking challenges from SANS Institute. Sujatha Sampath is a physicist and senior engineer and process owner at Micron Technology. She has been instrumental in driving product development in the revolutionary 3D crosspoint memory and has been a key diversity, equality, and inclusion advocate, conducting allyship training and workshops for all of Micron USA. Dr. Sampath has a Ph.D. in physics and was chosen to be a member of the United States delegation team to represent the USA in a global summit for women in physics. She is an artist, loves hiking, and is an avid foodie. Toni Sears is Senior Director of Program Management at CHG Healthcare, where she has emphasized problem identification and value delivery and has grown the product management division. Toni provides small business loans to women in developing countries through the Kiva organization, is on the Community Council for Realms of Inquiry School, and is a strong advocate and mentor for women in the community. She has an MBA and bachelor's degree in behavioral science and health from the University of Utah, enjoys Spartan races, and practices Taekwondo with her children. Zyanya Bejarano is the VP of Sales Latin America at Instructure. A Mexico City native, Zyanya came to the United States to pursue her education. Now her position at Instructure allows her to take educational solutions back to Latin America, providing needed options for schools in countries that did not receive government relief during the COVID-19 shutdown. Zyanya is also active in the local chapter of Latinas in Tech. She has an MBA and a bachelor's degree in international business, enjoys the arts, traveling, and cooking with her husband. They welcomed a baby girl earlier this month. And the finalists for the 2021 Student Pathway Award. Anna Bell is a data science student at the University of Utah. After initially working as an elementary school teacher, Anna found her love of STEM through her first programming course in 2019. Her undergraduate research included mobile app development. Anna utilized natural language processing to make information on political issues more accessible in order to help motivate young voters to participate in the political process. Following graduation, Anna intends to pursue a Ph.D. in data science. Mary Evans is pursuing a degree in computer science at the University of Utah. At an early age, Mary recognized she had an interest in technology and science. She joined FIRST Robotics program, where she led her team in building and competing. In addition to balancing full-time work, Mary is passionate about her education and is involved in undergraduate research in computer graphics, specifically contributing to ray tracing and simulation. Following graduation, Mary intends to join the Ph.D. program in the School of Computing. Olivia Fisher is a biochemistry major at Brigham Young University. Olivia realized her interest in STEM early in her college education. As her education progressed, she was also exposed to medical research and machine learning, and her pursuit of science intertwined with technology. She currently serves as president of BYU's Women in Chemistry Club and enjoys mentoring and inspiring other women to explore STEM. Following graduation, Olivia wants to pursue a Ph.D. in systems biology. Congratulations to all the 2021 Women Tech Council Award finalists.